Hello friends, in the previous video we have covered our footer section and this carousel also, and this footer section also responsive. And one thing I was forgetted here you can see, let me just open the original one, footer, and here you can see about 3 is like this types of width, and here I was given the whole width. Let me give the this also. For that, let me come here and go on the index.html and go on the footer section here, and about 3 I want to give. Let me add one class, and here I give the, let me give class will be the, and top footer menu, and just copy this and paste in the about 3. Now just copy this here and come in the style.css and go on the, here I give this, and this will be only display on the less than 300 pixel and otherwise not. For that, give this, and here I give the width will be approximately 100 pixel, 80 pixel. Let me just check and go on the bottom section again. Yeah, here, okay, why this is not happening? Okay, I was given the here inside this, that's why. For that we can to change this in the form of a id, because priority that, and here I give the 1, and this will be the 2, and this will be the 3. Specificity of the css, that's why. And just copy this, because here you can see inside this footer and inside the menu and this, that's why. And just copy this, paste here, and change this here id, and let me just copy this again, and yeah, I want to remove this curly bracket and change this to, and also 3, and again now here I want to remove this also, and now let me just check again. See, this both are coming here, and little bit I give the more, we give the 100, and okay, now it's approximately, for now it's okay, or we can give the 110. Yeah, now I want to make all this content will be center. For that, here I was not given, yeah, menu, inside that I was giving this, where is inside menu, yeah, inside footer menu. Okay, inside footer menu, let me just give this here, display flags, we giving the display flags, and let me just see all the content will be here. But now here I want to change the also direction also, flash direction column. Now let me just see, now see all the item here, and here I give the, and flags wrap, or and here we can change this in the form of a, here I give wrap, let me give the wrap, yeah. Now again I want to check, see this content is like that. Now I want to make all the content will be center. For that I can go justify content will be center, and here you can see, let me go up, down, this, see this both content are now in the center, and these are like look like this one, and this font size I think, and all the text also. Let me give here I give the text, align will be center, and Yeah, now see, this text align will be center. Now this both are done, and for that I want to just copy this here and come here inside the media query. I want to change something. Here I want to give the this width will be auto, because if the, and now let me just see about the media query. See, all these are now okay properly. Now we have completed this part, and now let me just refactor our this javascript file. Here you can see this file is, I think, looking too much, and that's why we can remove something. And for that we can remove one by one. First of all, we remove the our, let me go up, this top side navigation, like where is coming this tutorial, and this mobile navigation, all this we make in the another. For that we can make here one file. Here I can give the yeah, not a file, it will make a one folder. Here inside this we create a JS, and inside JS we create a index.js. And let me just here I want to copy which part, let me, and inside JS I can make a export menu, and it will be, or we can do also here script file. We can just copy all this here and cut here and paste inside JS file. Now see, all this code here, and this file is now empty. Let me delete this file. And now this index.js file I want to add in the index.html file. Go on the bottom section. Here you can see our code also break all this. Let me go back, and here you see no navigation bar is opening like that. Let me just here give the and index, we give comma in the JS file and index.js. Now you can see all the code is, let me refresh. And something I was forgetting, I think in the top section I was exported this data, and for that I can also want to change all this. For that let me just change one by one. Here just go outside the inside data and paste this. Okay, here I want to add one more things, every div tag. Let me just go here inside this, I add one more things, one more dot, and now it is okay. And here see, now this all these are functioning properly. And when I just go on the below section, okay, we have completed this all this navigation bar and this w3 school full home page. And now we done this section. Let me just delete this. Okay, and this close this file all. Let me deploy all this code and run this program. For that we can deploy on the vercel. First of all, I want to all this data in the GitHub. For that here my GitHub, and come in the here repository. After that you go on the this new section and click here. Here I make a w3 school clone website, and this will in the description I write HTML, CSS and JS. You can write much more, and this will be the public. And inside that I added the this readme file and just create this repository. After that this folder is created. Now I want to add all this file. For that, here I click add file and go on the upload. After that, click here and let me just select is all this file in the D drive and go on the w3 school. Here you can see all this here. That, and one thing I was forgetted, and let me do also this. I was forget to here this style file. See, this file is here not looking good. We make a one folder, and this will be the css. And let me just move this css file in this folder. And now I want to add this css file in the index.js file here for the working. And here you can see our whole code will be break. And go on the top section, and where is here I was added, and here I want to change something. Let me go inside the css file and add the add. Now you can see all things are now properly. Now in the home page I have only one file, index.html. Now let me just upload all this file here in the github. Just click here, go on the where is my folder, w3 school colon, and all this file, just select all this and drag and drop. Now see, all the file is uploaded, and here I write something. You can write, or then also okay, I can write w3 school clone website, and this will be the in the description like html, css and js. Now just commit this. Now see, all the file is uploaded. Now I, for the deploying purpose, I use the vercel. Let me go on the vercel and go on the this here, click add new and select, go on the project section, and here you can import this. First of all, add github account. After that, some verification is required, and after that this will be done. And again you want to select your repository. Here I only using the one repository at a time, that's why this opening is coming. And here I want to select w3 school, and this will be the w3 school. Just copy this and save, and let me just run this. Where is w3 school? Here search, and this one, just import this, and here I want to deploy. Refresh this. No deployment is completed. Okay, our deployment is running. Let me just, yeah, see, now our deployment is completed. Now let me click on this. Here see, now here you can see all this my deployment is completed, and this all the website is now running. And some more things break here. Here you can see our code is not giving outside. Here you can see yeah, I think something is break here in the deployment section. Here you can see, and in the original section also. Yeah, in the original section also. Okay, let me, I think something is missing. Let me come here, and where is change something. This is mobile mobile menu, and this will a nested navigation. Inside that I inserted all this. Just copy this here and come in the css file. Here I just first of all search where is this class, and I was given somewhere width. Let me just check. Yeah, this is a relative path, and reference menu mobile. Okay, and here I want to change this in the form of a this will be the absolute. Let me change this absolute, and now let me just see, and j index will be the 20, and I think somewhere I was giving the overflow hidden. Let me just see, and nested navigation bar, and this will be the height. I think somewhere, let me check here also. Right click, go on the inspect, and when I was click okay, let me be more the big screen. Yeah, now it will be big, and just select this cursor and click here. Okay, this will be coming, see, and okay, our data is coming, but not able to display here like here, and for that I think something is missing here. Let me just see, let me little bit up this, and let me just see why this is happening. Nested navigation, I give the position absolute, and j index will be the 50, and yeah, now see all this is coming, and where I was added in the nested navigation container, and just copy this here and come here, and where is here, where is nested navigation? Yeah, here I was added the 20. Let me give the 30. Now let me refresh, copy this class name, and let me copy this, when I was add j index 50, all this data is now displaying. This is a nested navigation line number 353. Let me go on the 353. Here I give the relative, and here at once again I want to check. Yeah, 353. Let me go 353. Yeah, here nested navigation, and here I want to give j index will be the approximately 30. Now see, and yeah, now our menu is properly displaying. When I just click another menu, yeah, now it's working properly. And let me check one more things, all these are things are working or not. Yeah, these things are working properly, and this one also, and this one, yeah, everything is now working. And little bit when I was small screen, and yeah, these things are working. And here you can see this how it work will be, all the this image is too much small. Let me give the big, select this, and here click, and here I was added the padding in the line number 168. Let me also remove this. What is the line number? 168. Let me come here, 168, here 168. nothing. I think something is missing. And this is let me copy this class name and we give something. Copy this and paste, search this class name is where, and here see I was given the, let me give this with the media query and media, and it will be all, and inside this I use the, and here give the minimum width will be approximately 800, or we can give the 600 pixel, and then it padding will be approximately 50 pixel, otherwise it will be approximately 10 pixel. Now let me just see now it will looking good. And this bottom also now coming too much big, let me reduce also. And this bottom, why this bottom is coming too much big, and just copy this, and yeah, below side I was given let me this media query bottom here, and here I want to give in the padding, just copy this again, paste inside this media query. This is for okay, and for this I want to let me font size will be approximately 20, and also giving the margin from the top side, let me add this margin top side 20 pixel. Okay, I was not given display block, let me convert this. Okay, then it will be block, then justify self center. Okay, then we want to create a, or we can do in the above section this w3 school, or this here I give the margin from the bottom side is approximately 10 pixel. Yeah, now these things are working, and one more little bit check, and okay, now this btn is also okay for now, and let me check again. Yeah, now see we have completed this w3 school, and when I was click any of the link, see when I was click this link, let me, when I see when I was click it will be go on the some directly open the new menu, and when I was again click, let me show, and this link is not opening the directly open some new tab. Let me just see why this is happening, and this is a nested tutorial. Yeah, mobile navbar I was given the here hashtag, and let me remove all this because in the div tag this is a not, that's why remove here also, and here also, and one more section here also. And now I want to click here, refresh this page, click here, and why again this is coming, let me check. Okay, for checking purpose I think I want to look here, let me just select this, and here click, and here I want to see, here you can see this mobile navigation bar. Yeah, let me change this. This is h reference, let me see where is, h reference where I was put mobile now close. Okay, but let me select mobile. Now close. Okay, why here is coming? I think some tag is not closed. Let me just see. Yeah, here anchor tag is open, but here you can see never close. Let me close this anchor tag, and this is why btn is coming here. Where is this btn is opening? Nowhere. Let me delete this and close this anchor tag. Now let me just see again. When I just click, yeah, now it's working fine. And again this excel also, exercise also now. And one more thing, see this this class here, this color will be changed, I think. Let me, here I want to give the just add btn and cut here, paste inside here. Yeah, now it's fine. Everything is now fine. And one anything more, let me just see. And this text is here left side. Let me just copy this, select this and come here. And where is this one? Let me just see this here. I want to, I think, text align center. Yeah, this is a 611. Let me come in the style.css and go on the line number 611 here. Where is here? I want to give text align center and somewhere other. Now everything is now fine. Now we have completed this w3 home section, and all things are done, and deployment also here you can see. Let me also see. Okay, I want to push again code. Let me go on the GitHub and add more and click here. Let me go on the this w3 school folder and again select all this and here. Now file upload is done, and here I commit this bug, remove and commit. And now let me just see. When I was click, yeah, now see this view is updated. Now our menu bar is now looking better and everything is ready, and our this section is now completed. And thank you for the watching this video. And we got some comment about making this side navbar like this types of a, and let me show you this types of a side navbar. I make a one video, don't worry, you got a in the next section you got a one video which I make this top this top and this one, and here I add some link, and inside that we make some file also to display here. We only in this video, in that video I explain how to you can do it, and you can do by own and try yourself also. And thank you for the watching this video. Thank you so much for your support. Bye bye.